Police have reopened a section of the Highway 69 service road in Nederland after a pickup truck overturned and spilled a load of pipes. The pickup truck flipped over about 8:30 this morning in the southbound lanes of the service road near Nederland Avenue. Several pipes fell onto the pavement. Police shut down a portion of the service road while cleanup crews removed the pipes from the road. The driver was able to get out of the pickup truck. He was alert when firefighters arrived and was taken by ambulance to a hospital to be checked out for minor injuries. Six-shooter LD Ray shot this video for us.